What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Carolina Custom Classics. I know it's been a little while, but we're back at it again today. Today we're going to Virginia to look at a 57 Chevrolet Bel Air, and I hope we get it, and stick along for the ride. Enjoy. Alright, up here at AutoZone. Ain't got no tail light. Swung in, picked up this little kit. Got me out here working on the U-Haul trucks. First stop of the day. We're only about 10 minutes in the trip, so let's get that out changed. Alright, next morning. Forgot to give any updates, just got out the hotel. It's about 6:30. Really ended up mangling up this light over here, so kind of screwed on that, so we're running these. But I don't know what the deal is with the U-Haul, so I ain't too pleased. But anyways, we're about to go through Charlotte, and this morning rush, so it's gonna be busy. So I'll set y'all up and take y'all for a ride along with us. Stay tuned. About 15 minutes away. See y'all when we get there. Alright, we pulling in now. It's got all kinds of goodies. '57 Chevy. '30s coupe. Alright, this is the one I came for. '57 Chevrolet 4-door hardtop Bel Air. Pretty solid overall. Got a little ding in the doors. Gonna need, you know, all the typical 57 stuff, but overall, I mean, tail pan ain't too bad, trunk bottom ain't too bad, trunk pan ain't too bad, spare tire ain't too bad. All the glass is pretty decent. It's got an engine, but I'll be changing out the engine in it. Door is a little out of whack, being dented up. Pretty complete on the inside. Not bad. Let's walk around and check out what else he's got. Got a 2-door 6 wagon. Pretty nice. Got a crap load of parts up in here. What is this, Pontiac? Here we have another 57 4-door wagon. Like I said, we up here, Virginia. Another 57. Watch out for snakes. I'm sure they ain't quite as bad as they are down in South Carolina, but I'm sure they still up here. Wow, it's thick. I like this. Look to be a 57 two-door wagon 150. Or at least, well, I don't know, that might be just how, yeah. Wow. Now that's a good one. That is nice. Two-door 150. Ooh, look at that hood. Damn. I wonder if he's got a title on this. Oh. Get that limb off of you. Not bad overall. Like an old gasser. Hot rod. Even got the old paint job on it. Wow. The door welded or something? Yep. Yeah, this is definitely an old school hot rod here. Yeah. They got all kinds of rigging up in here. Huh. I like that. Yeah. Oh. Try not to bust my butt. Got a 54 Ford wagon maybe. Overdrive. Oh. Sweet. I was gonna walk over there, but it's just too damn thick. Couple square bodies. '56 Ford Fairlane. Oh no, 55. I think, yeah. Not a bad old car. I mean, fixed up, but I think this was too far gone. Looks like a 53 Ford, 54 Ford, something. Ooh. Looks like a 56 Chevy hiding over here. Like a two-door, something hiding right there. Another two-door, 56. Okay. Looks like a 55 Chevy. Another 2-door 55 Chevy. '56 Chevy. Another '56 Chevy. 4 doors. Wow, in Tri-5 heaven over here. Man. 4-door '57 Chevrolet wagon. Early '50s Ford over there, 2-door. We have a Camaro. Don't got it. Need a overflow reservoir. Looks like a '59 Chevrolet maybe. No, I think that's a '60. 2-door post. Early Ford. '55 Chevy, 2-door hardtop. '57. We got here a Pontiac. This ain't a bad looking car. 2-door hardtop. Oh. Wow. Storage is about gone. Overall, I mean, it ain't a bad looking car. This ain't bad here. It's got the engine. Not bad. This ain't bad here. Let's see. Old Ford. Check out the old '57 2-door hardtop. You got rough. About like the one I got at the house when I first got it. About the same condition. Or if it's got the California frame. Yeah, it's got California frame. Not bad. Alright, I'm gonna go talk to the guy. Go from there. Thought I'd show off this one. Pretty rough, but there's a Brookwood. Ryan, Iowa, classic cars. Here you go, man. If you want another one, just got an engine. Can't get the door open. It's got all the interior. I don't know if it's got floors though. Smashed on this side pretty good. Super rare though. Yeah. Somebody could save this one. Depending on how bad they wanted to. Or use it for parts. The lift gate ain't too bad. Got the rear end. Yep. About to load her up. Onto the wrecker. Onto the U-Haul trailer. You did find title for it, didn't you?
Yeah, I got it, but
okay.
I already signed it whenever you want it.
All right.
We count the money out, give you the title while you go with it.
Sounds good. So far, I got the easy job. Stand back and watch.
Y'all have anything down in your neck of the woods? Y'all have anything much to do with rat rods?
Yeah, I got about, I don't know, I got about 20 at the house. Yeah.
Good Lord. Well, I was going to tell you, this might be your first rat rod rollback, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Got 20 of them. I just sold a 36 Chevrolet truck. I had fixed one of those rat rods.
Really?
Just sold it a few months ago.
I need to get me a rollback. I need to get me a rollback.
He does too.
Yeah.
I do, yeah. I do. What are you doing with so many rat rods?
It's an addiction. It's an addiction.
Yeah, I know. I got the problem.
You actually got them running on the road and stuff like that?
Some of them, yeah. Came and got this.
You and another group or something other dealing with them, fixing them up or something?
Nah, just personal. Just for personal.
A lot of people get together, you know, put a big work together and fix them up to yourself, still flip them, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I got 557s at the house. I just enjoy them.
He makes fun of this old truck that I've had in 30-something years.
Well, seems to work good.
Yeah, it worked good. I wouldn't go off too far on it. Worked everything.
Yeah.
It's set of bumper guards and front bumper guards in the back seat.
Okay.
You can't find anything no more. They only make
Yeah.
I got two sets. I found some off the car and recruned them. I got those in there all day. I come down here after the
Really?
I got those in there.
That's all we got right there.
That's all. You only need them.
Choke it up.
Yeah, you got plenty of them. You
hope we can get it loaded. I didn't bring nothing.
Oh yeah, it's going. He's still gonna have pushing, draw it back, push it.
Okay.
I just sold a Nomad. That's the same way. Boy, had the same kind of trailer.
Shit.
Yep.
What'd you get for it, if you don't mind me asking?
15,000.
Damn.
It need to be fixed. It's worse. Probably worse shape than this, that Nomad one.
Wow.
What?
I told you, I just sold that Nomad.
Yeah.
It's probably worse shape than this. The boy paid me 15 cash. Glad to get it. I think I
Hell
sold it
yeah.
too cheap.
Honestly, you probably did.
I probably got 18 or 20 for it.
Yeah.
I made a little money off of it. I wasn't ever gonna fix it. Just, like
Yeah.
I got the point. I got about 10 cars in the house, garages are full, and working on a 660 Bel now, trying to finish.
Them Tri-5s, Nomads, and convertibles, they fetching you.
Oh yeah, the price
Way
went
out.
up again a while back.
Yeah.
Come on back. Come on back. Come on back. Back. Come on back. Straight on back. Straight on back. Straight on back. Straight on back. Get your handbrake down in the truck. Oh. I gotta go forward a little bit. You gotta go forward a little bit. Slide the car.
There is a handbrake on this thing.
I was on the floor.
Is that it? Is that it? I don't know.
No. You gotta let it call. You gotta 2 feet too hard against the trailer. I mean, it's bad. I can't turn the wheel like this. I slide off a little bit. 3 feet. Come on back. 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 All right, gonna be pretty good right now. That's good. That's good.
Let's sit down on that now.
Yeah, I think it's going in. Y'all go.
When you motion for me, make sure I can see you in the mirror. You gotta drop it down a little bit.
Yeah. Set the tires on there, roll on.
All right, watch it.
Ready?
You just say you need to guide your steering to see where you want it to go. All right, what's your stop on?
I'm tired.
My name, nickname.
No, sir.
Cricket's my nickname.
Cricket? Alright.
My granddad had a sense of humor. He nicknamed it that day I was born.
Okay. Well, got the old girl loaded. Now we onward to South Carolina. Check out this trunk lock. That's pretty cool, ain't it? Kind of ghetto, but cool. Alright. See y'all on the interstate. Alright, finally made it. Alright, so we're gonna pull her off using the Oldsmobile and kind of pump up these tires again. Hopefully it goes off pretty easy. We made it back, finally got it off the trailer. Be sure to check out my next video coming up. We're going to give a good walk around of it. Anyways, thank y'all for watching and riding along with us. Be sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all. Be blessed.